Hello everyone, welcome to another Nyxt Hacker Short. Today we're going to be talking about search or find. In a typical browser, you're going to type in Control F, type in your keywords, press return, and it'll kind of go through all of the matches on the page, highlighting them one at a time. Nyxt, of course, has something like that, but with a twist. So if we type in Control F, we're going to get a menu that comes up here at the bottom, and we're able to type in things. And it'll show us all of the matches on the page simultaneously. And like a normal browser, we can go through them and it'll highlight them. But because we have the context, we can quickly find exactly what it is that we are looking for. Now that's cool, that's a pretty fun trick, but we can take it a step further. Rather than searching just one buffer, why not search them all at the same time? So check it out. We bring up our menu, we type in search buffers, select it, and then we select the list of tabs that we're interested in. In this case, all of my tabs happen to be about sea turtles, green sea turtles, so I'm going to select them all, and then I'm going to type in diet. And now I see all of the matches in separate sections here for all of the pages. So the first one is from a NOAA site, the second one is from a different NOAA site, the third one is from this website called conserveturtles.org, and finally Wikipedia. And as we kind of paginate through them, you'll see that it'll highlight them and bring up the appropriate tab. You can see them being highlighted down here below. And that, I think, is a pretty neat trick. Thanks for your time.